Blah 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 blah.
How engaging is video where you just watch somebody talking for 3 minutes? Unless it's an incredibly interesting topic, you have seconds before someone clicks onto something more amusing, like a sneezing panda. In my previous videos, I've shared some tips that can help you make DIY videos look more professional. We looked at the shopper's pivot, the B-roll, and rule of thirds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make video footage out of no video footage. In 1990, film director Ken Burns made a documentary miniseries about the American Civil War. There was one big problem with that. There was no archive film to use because the moving picture hadn't been invented. All he had was still photos, mostly posed, and paintings for the action scenes. But Ken wanted to make a film, not a slideshow, so he started using an editing technique which has since become known as the Ken Burns effect. There are features in most video editing packages to pan, tilt and zoom the image. Ken took the static images and created a sense of movement and drama by panning across scenes or zooming in and out of the action. So if you want to use video footage for a B-roll and only have still images, or you can only afford still stock images instead of expensive stock video, you can do the same. You can walk into a store, or fly a plane, or create an establishing shot from a stock photo. So that's the Ken Burns effect, video from no video to add interest without breaking the bank.